All right.
I have an attorney, but I mean, I'm guilty of what I've done. I didn't report, and I didn't do something, I didn't pay my fine, stuff like that. I didn't do what I was supposed to do. But I mean, I'd like to be able to get out of here and get back at what I'm doing, what I'm supposed to be doing, and take care of my son since he got out of surgery. But like I said, I mean, getting a lawyer or stuff like that, different steps there, but I'm guilty in the way you look at it. I can't say I'm a liar.
You're just getting a little bit ahead of yourself here. It's, things that you're saying, I understand, but again, it's just, do you want to have an attorney, or do you want to give away the right to have an attorney? Because again, it makes no difference to me. And, if you do want to have an attorney, we'll appoint your attorney and set the hearing in about 10 to 12 days, most likely. We'll go from there. And I'll have to decide what's going to happen. I don't know what will happen at this point. I haven't got to that this stage because we haven't made the decision yet as to whether or not you have done anything that violates your probation. So you just tell me, you want an attorney, I'll appoint one for you. You have to fill out that form that shows what your income is and your expenses. But if you want to give up one, that's fine too. That is your decision.
I waive it.
You waive it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I need you to sign a form. Corporal Benson, did you get a waiver of counsel form emailed out there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I got it.
I was gonna say, if you would make some copies of that, keep it on file out there, if you would fill out that form for him and put his case number up in the corner, and it's 17 CR 179,
Okay.
and then under where the defendant's blank is, it's Don Lester Rose Jr. This is style of case.
Okay.
And while she's filling that out, Mr. Rose, what this is a form that you have to sign to be put in the file that confirms, if somebody pulls your file to look at it, that you did waive your right to have an attorney. And so what it says, it's a waiver of counsel form, and all it is, it says that I blank, and then she'll put your name in there. Defendant herein, we now know the court fully understand under the laws of the state I have the right to legal representation. I do hereby affirmatively waive my right to be represented by counsel. And then there's a signature line there at the bottom that she's going to, that has defendant under, and you sign there if that's what you want to do. And then she'll send that up here, and we'll put it in the file so that it confirms to anybody that might check that you were informed of your right to have an attorney and that she gave it up voluntarily. So as soon as she gets it filled out there, take a look at that, and if you're going to give that right up, sign it, and then hold it up to the screen so I can see that you've done that. All right, I can see, and you just signed that document.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that that is your confirmation that you are waiving or giving up the right to have an attorney at no cost?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, now, Mr. Rose, the next step then in the process is for you to either admit or deny the allegations. If you deny the allegations, that means you want to have a hearing, and we will schedule out about 10 to 14 days in advance. Then you have time to subpoena witnesses and prepare for the hearing. If you admit to the allegations and you're saying that what it says there is true, I bet I did those things, and those are violations I can control. And then if you do that, as I said earlier, whether we have a hearing or whether you admit to those, I can either continue to control with the same conditions or add conditions or terminate you and send you to prison. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you admit or deny the allegations? Do you admit or deny those allegations that were filed this morning?
I admit, sir. I'm guilty, yes.
All right, thank you. All right. Did you go to residential treatment before? I don't recall.
What's residential? Is that in-house?
No, you went to a master house, right?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, what I want to do is this. We're going to have the treatment coordinator, Ms. Sturgill, talk with you. She can probably get out there tomorrow. She'll be out tomorrow. She's here to Portland. And evaluate you for, what your situation is, if you need to have any further treatment. Aftercare usually is right after you get out, and it's been a while. Almost a year since you had reported, so she was gonna need to do an updated evaluation, see if you need additional residential treatment or outpatient, intensive outpatient, or what the situation is, and make a recommendation back. I'm gonna set this hearing for next week. You don't have any other charges against you right now, do you?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's a good thing. July the 7th at 10 a.m. So that's be a week from yesterday, that Wednesday. And Ms. Sturgill will be out to talk with you, and Ms. Balls maybe too, but whoever comes out, probation talk to you, talk with them, and then they'll come up with a recommendation. Yeah, I'm not inclined to send you to prison. I think you're doing pretty well, and I don't know what exactly happened, but we'll talk about that, and we'll see what we come up with that allows you to try to get back straight there. You have any questions?
That's right. Okay.
All right, we'll see you next Wednesday. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.